Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server technologies. He is aware of program or browser technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. HTML, the head element. The HTML head element is a container for the following elements: title, style, meta, link, script, and base. The HTML head element. The head element is a container for metadata, data about data, and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. The HTML metadata is data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed. The HTML style element. The style element is used to define the style information for a single HTML page. Style element syntax is HTML link element. The link element defines the relationship between the current document and an external resource. The link tag is most often used to link to external style sheets. Link element syntax is the HTML meta element. The meta element is typically used to specify the character set, page description, keywords, author of the document, and viewport settings. The metadata will not be displayed on the page but is used by browser. How to display the contents or reload page by search engine, keywords and other web services. This meta tag defines the characters set used. By default, we use UTF-8 character set. This metadata defines the keywords for search engine optimization. We have its name, keywords, and its contents separated by commas. To define a description of your web page, we use metadata, name, description, and its contents. It can go up to 160 characters. This metadata author defined the author of a page. Setting the viewport to make your website look good on all devices, we use viewport metadata with a content value including the width and initial scale for that device. The HTML script element. The script element is used to define client-side JavaScripts. The following JavaScript writes "Salam dear student" into an HTML element with the ID demo. Let us try to understand this by an example. I have a div with the ID demo. There are no contents between this div. Then I have a button element which has a type of button and attribute on click which will execute a JavaScript function that we are going to write down. So between the HTML and body tag, I will write down the head start and end element. Then between these and inside this head tag, I will add script meta tag. It includes the script and start tag, then a JavaScript function. It will be taking a string. Now if I execute the code and press on the try it button, you will see JavaScript did the magic.